Hello and welcome to a new Marcus Opti video. Today I want to show you how you can adjust your optimization result again. You open the program and get your empty screen as usual. To make a small optimization, we first have to enter a new project with a project title and of course create workpieces. I will do this now. Now we can start with the optimization. This starts from the field Plan View. Here is now a view of your cutting plans and an overview of the sheets you need to cut your parts from. If you are not satisfied with the result, you have the opportunity to change it. Click on the item Parts View to get back to your list. Now, to change the optimization result, you set a different structure for your workpiece. We take this one here and say, for example, left-right. If you restart the optimization now, you will get a new cutting plan in which the parts lie horizontally. Over the material structure, you have the possibility to adjust your optimization manually again. If you like the result, you click on Accept Plans. Now, SAW files are generated in the background, which we can use for the Elmo control or the Marcus navigation. That's it for today. Thank you for listening and see you next time.